now this particular pin, right, you can see this is used for a reading on the goniometer scale. Okay, so right now this reading corresponds to whatever zero mark we have set. Okay, that we will be taking it in a very short time. So right now, no problem. Okay, so right now I am removing these wooden stands. Okay, wooden blocks are removed, even the lens is removed. Okay, now you can see this particular scale mounted on this little wooden device. Okay, so what is the purpose of this particular scale? So I'll be placing this scale in this particular manner. Okay, right now the scale is mounted, and then I'm placing my lens system in between. So this is the complete setup now. So what we have right now, this could be treated as a object scale. Right? This could be treated as the object scale. So here the first lens of the lens combination, second lens of the lens combination, goniometer lens and the index pin of the goniometer, and then this is the reading pin, and this is the scale. So what is happening is that the rays are starting from this particular index pin. They will move toward the convex lens. Since the index pin is at a focal distance, the rays which come out of this, they are parallel beam. Okay, this parallel beam goes through the first lens, second lens, and it get converge here. So if I am placing my object scale, this is object scale, exactly at the focal distance of the lens combination, then this particular object scale will image exactly at this particular goniometer index pin. Okay, so how do I arrange it? I can make a movement like this way, right? So right now I'm going to flash my lamp on the scale. Okay, now scale is below the lens position, so I have to place wooden blocks below it. Okay, so that I could get this particular scale at the height of the lens, and I can make a movement. Now what is important in this case is that this particular distance hardly matters, because a parallel beam is traveling between this particular distance. So I can bring this particular stand very close to this, right? I can bring it very close to this. So what is the reason behind is that I could get a lot of maneuver here for my scale here. Right? Okay. So I am placing my scale like this way. Now this distance I have to check it out here, so that I am placing my object scale exactly at the focal distance from the combination of these two lenses. Okay. So here I am doing this particular job. Now already the scale, go to object scale. Santosh, this side is already marked here, right? I am looking at the inverted scale. So when I look at the inverted part of the scale from the outside, I am getting here upright. So now I am selecting one of the mark there on this particular scale. I have to get in line, everything in line. Again, is not in line. So here I am selecting, right, one of the mark on the object scale, which can correspond to my index pin.